Hello guys, welcome to Simple Math. I will explain today how to calculate the surface area and the volume of the pyramid. I will help you how to calculate the surface area and the volume of this pyramid. First, let's begin with the volume. Yes? So here we go. Okay, I want you to bear in mind, because this is very important, to get the volume of any of the bodies or the solids we are working on. To get the volume, let me change the color. We need to know what is the height of the solid. We will use the height of the solid. So in this case is 13. So we have that. Yes, we have the height of the solid. I want you to bear that in mind, okay? So what is the formula for the volume? The formula for the volume is area of the base times the height. But which height? The height of the solid. In this case, the height of the pyramid, and everything divided by 3. That is the formula I'm going to apply. So we need to get first the area of the base. But what is the base? The base is a square, because this is a square pyramid. So we can calculate that, and then we have the height, and then we multiply, and finally we divide by 3. And that is the step, or those are the steps I'm going to follow. So I'll say that the volume is equal to area of the base. The area of the base is the area of this square. So the area of the square is base times height. Yes? So if I multiply that times height, remember that height is the height of the pyramid, and everything I divide by 3, I will get the answer. Okay? So I'll say that the volume is equal to base times height. Base times height. So it's 20 times 20. 20 times 20 times the height. What is the height of the pyramid? This one. Yes, times 13, and everything divided by 3. 20 times 20 is 400. So the volume is equal to 400 times 13, and everything divided by 3. If you multiply that, I'm going to show you what happens. So the volume finally is equal to 400, let's use a calculator, 400 times 13 equals 5,200, and then we divide 500, 2,000 divided by 3. We have finally that the volume is equal to, let me see, 5,200 divided by 3 is equal to 1,733.3 centimeters cubed. Centimeters cubed, because we're speaking about volume. Okay, so in the same way, I'll calculate the surface area, okay? So let's go to the surface area. We have the same pyramid. And I want you to bear something in mind. For the surface area, we need also, apart of having the height of the pyramid, we need to know also the measurement of the height of this triangle. You see, this is a triangle, and this one is the height, and we have that value. I want you to bear that in mind. For the surface area, we need the height of one of the faces. So let's think about this. What happens if I get the area of this triangle and I multiply that times 4? We will get the area of 4 triangles. Remember, this pyramid has 4 triangles. So if I calculate the area of that triangle and I multiply times 4, and then I add the area of this square, I will get the surface area. So in other words, I need to get the area, yes, to get the surface area of a pyramid, I get the area of a triangle, which is this one, the area of this triangle, and I multiply that times 4, because we have 4 equal triangles. And then we add the area of the square, or the area of this base. So let's do it. Let's do it step by step, okay? Oh, sorry. Let's do it step by step. So I'm going to write a line here, and I will begin. What is the area? So the surface area is going to be equal to, what is the area of this triangle? To calculate the area of that triangle, we use the formula base times height, and the answer divided by 2. That is the formula of that triangle. And then we have to add the area of the square. What is the area of the square? The area of the square is this one. So the way we calculate the area of the square is, base times height. Base times height. So let's substitute values there in the equation or in the formula. So what is the base of the triangle? 20. So 20 times height. What is the height? Is this one. So in this case is 16.4. 16.4, and everything divided by 2. That is the formula to calculate the area of one triangle, plus base times height of the square. So 20 times 20. 20 times 20. That's the way we calculate that area. So let's continue. Here we can simplify these two. 2 divided by 2, 1. 20 divided by 2, 10. So if we multiply 16.4 times 10, we will get 164. Plus 20 times 20 is 400. Yes, 400. Now, the surface area is equal to 164 plus 400 is 564 centimeters square. In terms of area, we speak about square units. So this is the result. All right, guys? I expect you have understood everything about surface area and volume of square pyramids. All right, guys? Thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you next time. Bye-bye.